Welcome. Jebb Adams presents Season 2, Episode 21, Pedal Assembly. So these are half the discs. I only emptied this tube here. Okay, so as you can see, we got those out of there successfully. There is one disc that is compromised. I only found this little piece, but there's 75 discs here. That was 76. And then that one, the thick one, and then the covers. It's showing me 77 there. So that does have to be cleaned. That is going to be cleaned. And I'm not going to play with these discs. I'm not going to wash them or anything. I'm going to clean this and replace this, and we'll start building the pedal again. Please subscribe. Thank you. First, this has to be installed on here, and also first this has to be replaced inside the casing and tightened down, secured with those. So we'll get working on those. There, that's snug. So that device is on. Now we'll put this back together. The spring is already installed on the stud. The stud goes up the middle. And we want the edges of this to kind of just clear inside the contours of that, if you know what I mean. Now we get this piece and install it. And it goes almost all the way to the end of the thread. See, that's good there because now everything is flusher. And I was concerned that would not slip and get jammed. Actually, I might take it tighten it up another turn or two. There. And then to secure that, there's this nut or whatever. There are three sets of screws. The big long ones obviously are for the case on the base. These medium-sized ones are for connecting the wiring to the top of the casement, and then these little ones are the ones I'm looking to use right now to install those two copper tabs. So that's what we'll get doing on there now. First I'll put these in for the wires, and then they'll be out of our way. And they're little larger screws, so they're easier to deal with, I'm thinking. Yeah, doing okay there. And I just snug them up so that they won't fall off or undo or anything if they get somewhere where they're shaking around in a box or whatever. So you can see that tab that is on a 90-degree angle. I'm going to have that facing down like that, so that that little angled part is going down that way. The next step is to install this threaded stud on this piece here. And this may be quite simple as well. Okay, so that's the top, I believe. Yeah, that's the top, because that's where the wiring goes. We already have our... No, we don't. Fiber washers are right there. That's no good. We need one there. And we need one there. Well, that's not working out for me yet. Let's try this one. I think that one may have seated. Yes, it has. That one's snug. I think we got a connection there. We do. Now I'd like to point out that I'm not going to be wiring this right now. That will be another day. But we are going to put the cover on and the button in and the bed feet on. Yeah. There. Thanks for watching. I enjoyed doing that. Believe it or not, this has been a real adventure. And now I have another foot pedal to do. So thanks for watching, subscribing and viewing and all that. Stay safe and have fun. And we'll see you again real soon. Adios, amigos.